Father, I think I figured it out. Let's see. Makes with pills. Watch how fast I fall asleep. Will I wake up from this dream? Have you ever lived in a dream? 20, chase the money, chase the money. Hey, we're live, we're live, we're live, we're live, we're live. Let's see if this shows it right now. Connect to streaming software to go live. Well, I think that I am live, judging by that it's saying that I'm live. So, let's actually reiterate what we were just talking about in that other one. Basically, the trade entry that you see on the on this thumbnail for this video is this right here. We have a bearish divergence on the hourly coming up to the golden pocket of this move right here. If you pull from the high to the low, you'll see there's the 618 and 0.66 golden pocket retracement level, which is a very respected level. And as you can see, we came up there and we started to reject off, while at the same time printing on the 6 minute. We got a red dot on the 6 minute. So with money flow as well coming down. But this isn't it, because if we go to the 8 hourly, we printed a bearish divergence already. Right here to here. As you can see, the momentum is higher here, and the momentum is getting lower while the price action is getting higher. Along with, on the 48 minute, we confirmed the bearish divergence. So this, as well as we're continuing to see the money flow come into the red. So we're seeing some really, really bearish signs right now coming up to this resistance up here. As we also are about to print the bearish divergence on the 12 hour if we start going down any lower. And we could even possibly print a bearish divergence on the daily, which would take out this hidden bullish divergence momentum. And I am in longs from here and here. And let's see where else I'm long from. We entered in, oh yeah. We entered in here as well. To a little trade. We entered in here as well. To a little trade. So, yeah, and we are also short from up here. And now also entered into another short position right here with the stop loss above here. Which you could enter into this trade right now and it would, I guess it would be 2%. It's pretty not good right now, I guess. But you could, I mean, put your stop loss just right above here, only risking 0.7%. That would be not too bad of a trade. As you can see, we're kind of starting to, if you look right here, we're making higher highs and higher lows right here throughout this period. It says we're live. Reconnection successful. We're back. Let's make sure that we're here. Oh, one watching. Hello, whoever is watching. Welcome. So let's get back to what I was saying. On the lower time frames, the market structure is starting to look bearish, and if we do break this low, we will really confirm it, because if you look right here, we're having a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then we create a lower low, and now we've created a lower high. So if we break down below this $24,000 level, we are creating a bearish market structure on the lower time frames. But let's go up to the higher time frames, and as you can see, we are actually in bullish market structure. We create a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now we've created a higher high. So if we do break down below this level, we will probably be coming down pretty quickly, pretty smoothly. So this is a very significant support level. It's a value area low as well. And yeah, but if we break through this level, then that will change the market structure on the higher daily time frames from bullish to bearish. So just make sure you guys are keeping that in mind. When you're trading, the higher time frames show some possibility of flipping bearish, especially with this 8-hour bearish divergence and this 12-hour bearish divergence about to form, and the possibility of the 1 day also forming the bearish divergence. If we look on the weekly, we are also looking like we're about to print the bearish divergence on the weekly. Oh wait, no, not on the weekly. It's not a bearish divergence, but we are printing lower momentum. So it could possibly be like, if this, let's say this is an anchor and this is a trigger, I don't know, it's looking very bullish on the, very bearish on these higher time frames, at least in the short term. The only thing that's looking pretty bullish for them is that we have this bullish market structure, and we even came up here and broke this high. So this is pretty bullish. But all the other momentum indicators are showing that we need to at least cool off a little bit. So we're either going to have a little pullback or some consolidation. Either way, there are going to be many trade opportunities available. Like, for instance, if we come down to the value area high of this range right here, value area high, value area low, if we come down to here, we are also retesting a golden pocket. So if we're getting some bullish divergences forming on the lower time frames, we could possibly get into a small long scalp from this level. And that's basically what we're doing when we're trading. We are looking for areas that we can that are resistance or support levels, which we can get in many different ways. And if we are getting some other confirmations, some confluence on our indicators that show us that we have a higher probability of winning the trades, then we will enter into these trades, just like this hourly bearish divergence trade. And also, whenever it comes to trading, you can never be 100% accurate. So that is why you must practice proper risk management. If you're trading and you're not using a risk management plan, you are going to lose all of your money. Just keep that in mind, because nobody can be 100% perfect in trading. Because even though we did get all of these bearish signs, that we're seeing, we could still possibly, it could just wick us out, and we could lose a trade. It's always a possibility. But that's why you always create a plan, and just stick to the plan, practice proper risk management, and you will be a consistently profitable trader over time. You'll get better and better the more that you trade, and the more mistakes you make, the better you'll do. Because you're not going to want to make the same mistakes again. That's for sure. That is for sure. Especially when you start losing a lot of money. Because trust me, I've been there before. I was a noob trader that was trading literally purely off of my emotions on what I thought would maybe happen. off of my emotions rather than setting up a plan and then following through with that plan. And look at this too. We came up, we wicked this 786, and we started getting a rejection from there. And we are actually printing possibly a bearish divergence on the 3 minute. And yeah, this might be a nice little trade opportunity if we get this to confirm. That would be a nice little extra add to my short position that I'm already in. And my stop loss is up here, so we shall see what happens. Can we get this bearish divergence to print on the 3 minute? Let's see. Do we have any one live watching? Let's see. Refresh. Do we have more than one live? Ooh, 2 live watching. Well, hello. Thank you for watching. I'm not actually sure if you can see my... Let's see. Can you see that? Let's see. Chat disconnected. Unable to connect to chat. Please try again later. Let's see what's going on here. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. We're getting a chicken drinking water. It's coming out here trying to take out this high, but can it take out the high? Can it take out the high? I don't know. We'll have to see. We will have to see. We broke through all these fib levels, but we could still be finding resistance at this 678, because what could have happened is people put in some short orders right here, put their stop loss right above here. Somebody saw that, and then they shot the price up here and stopped everybody out that was in this trade to build some liquidity so that we'll come back down to yeah, you see that? You see how that happens? That's why you always put your stop losses at the last swing high, so that you can make sure that you are not getting caught up in the cutting of the chop. That's what it's called, the chop. You don't want to get chopped up. You don't want to get onto the chop block. Okay. And so basically, if we do continue on the daily time frame and the higher time frames with if we create a higher low, like if we, let's say we come down to right here and we find support here and then we create a higher high, that for me is going to just confirm that we have now entered into at least a different market structure than a bear market. I think we have at least hit the bottom if we really do get a new high. And if that's the case, then my plan is in place. I mean, I already have 3 long trades opened up that are way lower. And what my plan for this upcoming bull market is I want to get into a bunch of long positions, okay? Every time that we have a dip and we have some confluence at some levels of support, I'm going to get into a long trade, take a little profit, move my stop loss to break even, and then just hold these trades all the way up to the top of the bull market. That's what my plan is to do. Like I don't care about the small gains. I'm interested in trying to make the long-term gains. So yeah, that's really my plan. We are seeing a little bit of a rejection here. This is pretty good. Oh yeah. My first, let's see what my entry is on this, so I can. Oh yeah. So my entry is 24,400 and. 64. So this is actually where my entry is with my stop loss above here. And then our targets are to here would be a nice take profit. And really to here is where we are really looking to take a lot of profit, maybe. And I mean, honestly, this entry right here, as long as we don't break this high, if we print if we print a red dot on the 3 minute up here, we're going to be getting a bearish divergence on the 3 minute. This is also the this is the area of the 786 of the move. So that would really be our final area where there would be a good short entry right here. 786. Let's see. Shit. Let's not go into clock. So 2, 4. Okay, yeah, I basically gave my plan out. Is there anybody even watching? That's the real question. 3 people watching. Hey, motherfucker. I mean, people, what is up? Welcome. I'm gonna see if I can figure out why, what's going on. Like what? Is this not? Am I not streaming right now? Sometimes this is weird. I don't know. This is my first time ever trying to use OBS, so I don't really know why. But it says that I'm streaming here. I just don't know. I got 3 people watching, so if you're watching, thank you. I hope that you find some value in this video and in this live stream. And I post shorts of like trade entries, and what I think I'm going to start doing is I'm going to try to live stream every day and just show people how to trade and show them my trade entries, show them how to set up my chart, how I set up my charts, and things like that. Yeah, that's my plan. And then I'll cut up little portions of it and turn them into videos, the parts that I think are important, like if we make a weekly plan, something like that, you know. Oh shit, motherfucker. Why? Somebody call him. Okay, we just got stopped out of the trade. The next possible entry would be at this level, the 24,800. Like I said, it's the 618 or the 786. Of this move. This is printing. We're really just looking for some more bearish divergences. Like that's exactly what I was saying before. Why risk management is so important, because we got Really good signals. You can see right here a bearish divergence on the hourly. Bearish divergence on the hourly. Along with a bearish divergence on the 8 hourly and a bearish divergence on the 48 minute. This is honestly pretty bearish. So let's see if we can enter into a short position right up here. Let's see if we get an opportunity. We're not seeing any bearish divergences on the lower time frames anymore. Area. Money flow is coming back into the red still. We are seeing some bearishness, but we should just be patient, really. Wait to see what happens. If we come up here, we could possibly enter into a trade, but it's really not looking like there's going to be a super decent signals when we get up to that level. But look at that. The 1 hour has disappeared from the 1 hour green dot has disappeared. We have a nice little wick. So what we'll do, we didn't get into a short position up here, but it's looking like it's gonna come down a little bit. But the thing is, we're making a higher low and a higher high. So the market structure is looking a little bullish. While we are coming up with the money flow, the money is flowing up. As you can see, it just came into the green. So we'll just have to be patient, and what we'll do is take the fib from the high to the low. If we bottom out, oh yeah, see, there we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at us go down. Oh yeah. So what we'll look for to get into a trade is us to come back to this golden pocket right here and get some bearish divergences, hopefully on the 3 minute. So like if we could come down a little further. Well, not if we come down a little further, because if we come down a little further, this isn't the 618 anymore. But let's say we come down, we print a green dot down here, and then we get another little uneven butt cheek printing. We could enter into the short there. So this is what I'm looking for. Really, come back up here. If we do break this, then we are looking pretty bullish on the lower time frames. But the thing is, we are still looking really bearish on all of these time frames. The 8 hours about to print another bearish divergence, damn near. Like if we start printing a, yeah, this is looking so bearish on the higher time frames. Yeah. So let's see where a bearish divergence would be at. Yeah, we're nowhere near the bearish divergence area for the 12 minute and the 5 minute, 6 minute. But the 3 minute, we could really get some opportunities. Come back up here, bearish div. Let's see how many people are watching. Now only 2 people watching. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys enjoy. I don't know if I can see. I don't know if I can see the chats right now. So yeah, that's kind of weird. There's no current yes or no, like a G in there. It may. One second. Let me just make sure. Okay, I shall be right back. Hopefully we get that to work. Oh, wow. Oh, we got a little dump going on right here. We got a little dump. We got a little dump. Yeah, I feel like this was just to get every single person out of the trade, including me, which it did. You dirty bastard. But it's okay because I am short from up here. So I should be chill. Honestly, if we reject off of here, look at this. We'll have a boop, boop, boop. Make a higher high, maybe. Then reject off of here with some bearish divergences. I feel like that's the plan. So we come down here. We can maybe get a little scalp long entry. Come up to here. Make a new higher high. And then that's when we have the really big correction. I mean, because we did come up to major resistance. Like if we break through here, let's go on to the daily. If we break through this level, like this was support back in May 2022. And there's not much, like there's nothing that's going to really stop us until we get to the 20, 30,000 level area. This is where we have the next real resistance. So this is the doorway to Pump City. And we're getting 8-hour bearish divergence forming. It is looking mighty sweet for the short right now. Let's see. I'm gonna have to get off here pretty soon. I've got to go to my brother's basketball game, but yeah, here's some trade setups for you guys. If we come down to this 618, this golden pocket, the 618 6.66, this is a pretty solid area for possibility of a long position. If we have the momentum come down lower than this and print a green dot like down here, this will be a hidden bullish divergence on the 3-minute. That'll be pretty significant, especially since on the on these lower time frames we do have a higher high, higher low, higher high, and we'll see about this low. But here, let's take a fib again, because now we are lower than this thing. Let's go here and move our, yeah, right there. Oh, we're about to break through again, huh? Another lower low. Let's see. Oh yeah, buddy. I think the chart's like, oh yeah, I see he created a plan. Let's invalidate his plan instantly. It's what the charts sometimes like to do to you, but that's okay, because it just creates more opportunities for other trades. So let's look at where the 618 is at again. Oh yeah, we're coming down to it right now. Let's see. We shall wait. And the money flow is honestly looking good on this 3-minute time frame. Money could be flowing right back up. Purple seal. What the hell? Yeah, but I got a basketball game to go to at 7:30. So I'll probably leave it in like the next 20 minutes. But until then, we can at least see if we can get a trade entry live. That would be very, very nice. Very, very nice. Oh yeah, here we go. Come down to the 6-1 Nita. Come down to the 618. Oh yeah. Oh, we're wicking right off of it. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh, we're going. We're off to the races. We're off to the races. I mean, honestly, this is looking pretty good for the Bitcoin price on the lower time frames. And the golden pocket, lines up perfectly with the old one that we had. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Oh, wait. No, it doesn't. What am I doing? There we go. There we go. Ah, yes. Look at that beauty. So if we come back up here, oh yeah, that's perfect. If we come back up here and we print get a little wave, let's see if I can get the drawing tool out. A little drawing never killed anybody. So here it is. Arrow. What? Nah, where's the drawing tool? I have not drawn on this chart for so long. Patterns, prediction tools, icons, drawing mode. Wow, how did I forget how to draw on the chart? Arrow dot. Oh, I'm dumb. Okay, so here we go. If we print like, oops, too high. If we print like doo, and we come up like doo, that's what we're looking for. We get the red dot to print right up here, right at this golden pocket. Get into a nice little short position. Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay. Let's get out of the brush. Oh yeah, money flow coming up into the green. Could have gotten into a little scalp short. I mean, a scalp long at that 618. Oh, especially because this was printing. I'm so dumb. I was looking at this. I didn't even notice. You've got a hidden bullish divergence that printed on the 1 minute right at the golden pocket. Let's see. Let's show that. Yeah, look at that. Look at how beautiful it is. Don't you just love it when it comes right down to that level? And look at that. A 1 minute hidden bullish divergence. Because the momentum is higher up here while the price is lower, and then the price is higher while the momentum is lower. That is called a hidden bullish divergence. And so, yeah, that's pretty nice. I should have, like, I could have gotten into a long position right here, but I was not paying attention correctly, I guess you could say. Ooh, are we going to reject just off of this fib level? Oh. 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 I don't think we are. I think we're going to come up, retest this, and then maybe come back down. If we take the targets from the top to the bottom, the next level, if it does break through this 618 up here, we got this area right here. We'll change this to this color. We got the 786 that's right above it. So we could either come up to here, or we could come up to here with some bearish divergences on these lower time frames to get into the position. If we do, honestly, if we break this high again, I don't think I will be looking for, you know, I'll still be looking for a short because I'm still long. I mean, I'm still short from up here at 24,900 something, basically 25K. So really, we are just seeing what happens. I'm also, let's see, I'm long from this setup, which I'll show you my entry for this setup right here. We came down right here, had a little chickens drinking water, came perfectly to the 618 while we're getting a, you can see right here, we got a bullish divergence on the 12 minute, even though it was a little small one. That was the entry for this trade right here. You could even maybe say, let's see. Oh yeah, almost just a little baby bullish divergence on the hourly as well. So yeah, that is proof that, you know, this trading strategy works. Yeah, so let's see. Oh boy, 12 minute red dot. Is it gonna stop the pump? Is it gonna stop the pump? Look at that. We're rejecting off of, I think it was the 0.5 that we rejected off of. Let's see if we really reject off of it or not. If we break a new low, that was a real rejection. But if we don't, then that was just a fake rejection, and we're gonna probably come up to the 618. But let's see, the 382. We hit the 382 and reversed off of it. If we do come down lower, let's see what. Oh yeah, we're already at the 618 for this move. Let's see, even, let's go to the 1 minute, and then let's see if it's even respected on here, because it looks like we came down to the 618 on this. Printing a nice little double bottom on the minute. Oh yeah, we came down, wicked off of the 786 with almost a bullish divergence forming on the minute. I mean, now at this point you could say that it's yeah, this would be a bullish divergence on the minute. If we do break this, oh look at that. So we're getting a bullish divergence on the minute time frame. Looking like a nice little double bottom on the minute. As you can see, we have these two bottoms right here. If we break this, we should see levels of oh, look at that confluence right up to my level. Right up to my level where I'm looking to take a little short from. Is that a coincidence, or is that just a sign? I don't know. You tell me. You tell me. But, I mean, that's kind of what I'm thinking is about to play out. We got the money flow coming up on the 3 minute. Let's take this box out. And honestly, look at this. We just print. That's a bullish divergence right there on the 1 minute. That printed. Let's see if we can get this to play out. Oh, are we gonna come down? Oh, they're going down. We will only know soon. Okay, it is now 7. It's 6:56, 6:57. 2 people watching. Thank you guys for watching. I will be streaming later on. Probably not tonight, but tomorrow at some point. I will try to get some streaming in and give some trade ideas for you guys. So yeah, thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see some more of you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. How do I end it?